and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sun-dried tomato at home. It's super easy to make because we're going to be making it in an oven, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make it.
Slice the tomatoes in half lengthwise and place them skin side down in a baking tray that is already lined up with parchment paper. Season them generously with dried oregano, kosher salt, and black pepper. Bake them on a preheated oven at 120 Celsius for 2.5 hours or until they reach your desired level of dryness. Keep them in small jars and submerge them completely with extra virgin olive oil.
Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day and see you next time.